All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Hope everybody's doing well. Welcome all Cryptoballers. Hope everybody's liked and subscribed to the YouTube channel. You can also follow us on CocoScope, but also join our free trading community. That's right, it is free, and you can get on lots of traders in there and get a whole bunch of information you want. We've also set aside a new Discord channel for our new launch coming up here at the end of the month, and we give special invites for that group as well for active traders and those that contribute a lot to the community overall. And that's what we're about. We're about lifting people up. You know, there are ultimately two ways you can go about this. You can keep reaching up to try and like grab onto somebody. We see that a lot. Or you could be a person who wants to lift people up. And that's what we're about. We want to lift traders up, lift new people in the cryptoverse, get more people into the crypto community. And that's what we're about. We're going to grow that as best we can. We're going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin because we're at a critical area here where we may see a reversal change, okay? Trend reversal. Obviously, we've been trending down. If you do the 4 hour, if you do the daily, it's been since late April, really since we've had a higher high kind of like thing, depending on what longer time frame you're looking at in Bitcoin, and whether or not we're going to get this trend reversal coming here at 35 to 37,000. Obviously, that 37, 38 is a critical level. Next critical level is really 42. However, I'm just going to be honest. Bitcoin breaks 40,000. That's going to be a huge, like, euphoric thing for bulls. Okay, that's just, even though that's not necessarily a really critical level on the charts, it will be psychologically in the market. There's a herd mentality. I can't keep telling you that enough. And a lot of times you have to go away from the herd. This is what we did and we've done. We have not traded that much, mates. We really have not traded that much in the last 7 to 10 days. The Discord's quieter. I think people are kind of like, and that says a lot about where the market is at in terms of what do we trade? We trade behaviors. If people are tentative, which is what I would call this entire market right now, is very tentative. Like, we just got some stuff out of El Salvador. Obviously, they gave us a little bump. Then we had some bullshit freaking tweets from Elon Muskie again. He's like a muskie, man. He's like just like the little muskie, the musky fish. He thinks he's a big whale, okay? In crypto. He's not, all right? He may be a big whale in other things, but he's not a big whale in crypto, okay? He just tiptoes in and tiptoes out, and that's just what he does. And unfortunately, people pay him way, way too much attention. And the market is proving its volatile nature and its really infancy because it's moved by nonsense like that, okay? It just is. He doesn't really have to say anything at all, right? I mean, think about it. The guy goes on Saturday Night Live and basically tells the world that Dogecoin is a side hustle, that it's a joke, and look at what happens, right? Like, people are still buying Dogecoin today, right? And again, because people aren't really informed. They're not. There are people in the cryptoverse, there are people on YouTube that are playing to that low informed trader, okay? Because they're going to take your money, and that's what they want to do. They want you to dump all your Bitcoin so they can buy it, and that's what happened that's what happened here. This is why we recognized it here, okay, with the entry at 3207. That wasn't even the bottom. We didn't try to call the bottom. I'm not here to try to call the bottom or the top. I'm here to look for opportunities, okay? And to inform people of other opportunities that exist in this market based on technical analytics, based on on-chain metrics, which are all probabilities, right? We know that the only thing that's certain is that crypto is going to be trading tomorrow, okay? 7 days a week. There's nothing certain in this market, okay? There's no certainty. And if you're seeking certainty, you're in the wrong place in terms of where you want your money. You need to be putting your money somewhere else. It's going to give you a guaranteed rate of return, which is going to be very small. And then that's it. Because the markets aren't certain. Everything that we talk about is a probability. Again, why did we enter at 3207? One, it came into its IO map, which is an on-chain metric area of hundreds of thousands of addresses that had accumulated Bitcoin at that 30 to 32,000 level. So boom, we popped in at 32,097. That wasn't even the bottom. And you can see up here at a 20x trade, that was 236 earlier this morning. If you had done it on Bex Plus at 100x, it's 1,190%. Okay? And so this is just part one. We're going to do part two of this video here coming up right now. All right, mates.